Oh, there we go. Yep. Oh, that's a good fish. Oh, there's another one. Yep, he's on it. That's the biggest one. All right, everybody, welcome back. Oh, higher up in the creek I fished a couple weeks ago. Gonna work my way up. Still working with the 6.6 spinner. Gonna be throwing some jerk baits later. Once the sun comes up high enough to warm things up. It's just breaking over the horizon now, so I'm gonna get trekking up. We'll get to the first hole and then see if we can get on some trout. Let's get to it. Here we go. I would think there'd be fish right there. I mean, that's a good little corner hole. I'll probably be fishing it on the way back. All these holes that I just may not be producing right now. So for sure, this spot would do it. Doesn't appear that way. No followers. I don't really see anything. Oh, there we go. First fish. Looks like could be wild. Little sweet little blue cheeks in there. He got off there. Yeah. Not bad, not very big. There's a little blue cheek. Let's go. All right. First fish. Can't be mad at that. Underwater would be great, but I'm barely 33 degrees right now. I don't even think we're above freezing, to be honest with you. Water's cold. Let's see if we can get another one. Oh, more walking. If I can get up there by that big boulder up there. Probably doesn't look very big to you guys, but maybe there's decent little stretch up there I can work. Okay. Rebel Trackdown. Caught plenty of trout on it in the past. We'll see. That was terrible. Yep, but it worked. Definitely a little bit bigger than the first fish I caught. Get him out of here. Yep. That's not bad at all. That's definitely wild, man. I've never seen such blue cheeks. I thought it was a little shorter than that. Look at that guy. It's not very deep. I feel like something should come out of it. Somebody moving up. Try all of it. Coming up on our next spot here. I don't know. Looks like a real nice hole. Cut that one short. Oh, that's a good fish. Glad I cast it over there. That's brown. Probably 12. Definitely wild. See that little adipose fin there? That's cool. Man, is that cool. How's that? Deal. See if I can pinch a second one. Alright. get a little sketchy. Gonna get one more. Oh, there's another one. That's much better. Oh, I lost it. Oh man, what? You crazy. I think I got somewhat homo. Man, that sucks. That was such a good fish. Oh, man. Look at that. Muskrat. He came right down to me. I snapped the camera on. That was crazy. He's going right into my hole, man. Sheesh. Kind of afraid to cast in there. Never caught a muskrat before, but I really don't want to. Oh, fish is on it. Fish is on it. Yeah, there's definitely one in there still. That's cool. Let's see if we can get him back. Yep, he's on it. He's on it again. Ah, oh, what? What? Commit, youngin'. Commit. There he is. This one's not big. But we're on. This is tiny. Tiny. Ooh. Yeah. Alright, sun's out. That's good. Warm up a little bit. See if there's anything else in there. Oh, there he is. That's the biggest one. Biggest one of the day right here. He's just shaking. May not be the biggest. Barely got him too. This is stock. Oh, big boy on it. That was a big fish. Right in front of me. Oh, look at the size of that fish. I got him. That's a big boy.